In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bumping dating app. Now, the first thing what we need to do is go to our Play or App Store and now search for apps and games. Type in Bumpy, hit search, and now it should be this one here with over 10 million downloads and 250,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on install. That's going to download and install it onto your device. Now, once it's downloaded and installed, we want to go ahead and open it up for the first time. So you should be greeted by this page. Now we've got a couple of different options here. So we can continue with our Google account. That's the most popular way to log in, or we've got other options here. So we can continue with email. So for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with my Google account. All right, so I've chosen my Google account. So I'm going to call my name Twiz27. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, so we can't have numbers. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to do Twiz YouTube. Hopefully that should work. Yep, so we can go ahead and click on next. Now from here, we need to enter our date of birth. So users will see only your age. So put in your date of birth. And then hit next. Then it'll say, are you sure you're that age? Make sure that your age is correct, and then hit accept. Now, what is your gender? It helps us to find people for you. So male, next. Who are you looking for? You only see ones that you choose. So if you're into men, click men, women, or both. So obviously male, I'm into women. Now, what is your goal? You can change your goal at any time. So if you want to get married, so you can find a person to get married to build a joint future, find relationships. So meet a soulmate, start a relationship, and then see, chat and meet friends, chat with people on different topics without serious plans yet. Learn other cultures, learn something new about the world, and practice languages. And travel the world, meet travel partners, and share experiences. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on learn other cultures and then hit next. Now your interests. So pick up the 15 things you love. It'll help you match with people who love them too. So we got hobby, sport, music, pets, going out, food and drink, travels, other. So go ahead and choose 15 and then click on to save. We can skip this if you like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Now from here, add your first photo, so you can replace the photo at any time. So go ahead and click on select the photo. Now we've got two options, open camera or choose from gallery. So if you want to take a quick selfie, open camera, or if you've got a nice photo you like to use, go ahead and choose from gallery. Make sure you choose a photo that's nice and clear of your face. Try and avoid blurry and all that stuff. So yeah, nice good photo of yourself, I suggest. Now, if you choose from your camera roll, it's going to say allow Bumpy to access photos and videos on this device. So we can allow limited access, allow or don't allow. So either one of the top two. All right, so I'm going to select this beautiful photo of myself. We can crop it and that inside of here to make it a bit clearer. And now click save. All right, so I can't use this photo. Unfortunately, the photo doesn't comply with our rules. So you can go ahead, if you've got any issues, go ahead and click on view rules or contact customer support. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. All right, beautiful. I can add that photo. That's a better photo of myself. Now from here, we can add up to 6 photos. So, and also you can replace any photos at any time. So I'm just going to use one for this demonstration. Now, once we've done that, it will say allow Bumpy to send you notifications. So I strongly suggest to allow that, because if you get any matches or messages, you don't want to miss out on them. So click allow. Now you might get this little welcome screen. I'm just going to skip over that. Now from here, we've got an option to a paid version, or if we want to use the free version, click on the little cross at the top here. So yeah, if you're really into it, you can go ahead and use your sign up to the subscription. You're going to get more features inside the application if you do. So some of the main features unlock when you do subscribe. So you can see who likes you, reveal likes. You got unlimited swipes and likes. You can undo swipes and passes. You've also got advanced filters and viewing verified profiles. Ad-free experience, you got boosts, compliments, and extra likes. So yeah, that's just a few. So I'm just going to click out of this. Now, once we're done that, we're going to be greeted by the matchmaking section. And above that, you can see who's viewing your profile, or if you're getting hellos or messages from people. So keep an eye on that. Now, from here, start swiping. So it's kind of like Tinder in a way. So you swipe left and right if you like someone, or if you don't like someone. So swipe right if you like them, or left to pass on profiles. Now, if both people swipe right, it's a match. So I'm just going to go swipe right, not interested, pass. Now, if I like, I'm going to swipe left. left to right. Now I want to click hello, 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 don't like, hello, don't like, hello. So yeah, you get the gist. Now from here, at the bottom of the page here, you can see the profile map, people liked you, and chats. So someone's already liked me. We can see 2 who liked me and 3 who's viewed my account. Now it will say upgrade a goal to see who viewed you. So you can go ahead and upgrade a goal to see who viewed you and also liked. Now on the bottom of the page, we've got chats here. So all your chats are going to appear here once you get matches. So use icebreakers, ask questions to start a conversation. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and use some safety features. So report or block any suspicious user and always meet in public places if you decide to go on a date.